This is Pedro from OpenBOM, and today I'm going to show you OpenBOM Design. So OpenBOM Design is a new tool to collaborate over the cloud with CAD files and project-related files. So it's very easy to use. You go to Design. You can create new projects in Settings. Let's create a new project, for example, new code by. So create new projects. You have a new area to upload files from your computer. From here, you can download the tool, the Workspace Manager. It looks like this. And from here, you can select a local folder where you have your local file set. I'm going to map to an existing folder like a local on my C drive to have full speed from your computer. You can check out your project so you can upload. Upload button lights up. And then from here is just press upload. And your files are saved, stored to the cloud, and you have unlimited storage at this present time. So the upload is finished. So from here, we can evaluate to create a new revision by checking in. So you can create revisions on projects to have different baselines. So you can go back and see changes in time and changes from different users. So we're creating a revision. It's done, it's complete. Let's make some changes and upload again with changes. So let's simulate that we're gonna add like a filler to the frame. So request. So let's make that very quickly. And then update all other documents. Update the drawing, update the assembly, and save all. And from here we can upload changes again. So let's do that. Save all and upload again. So we're going to check out to upload changes and click upload to create, save revisions again. So the upload is finished again. So we can see now different revisions. So let's create another one with this change. And once that completes, we have access to two different revisions. So let's open tool just to compare two different drawings. And we should have two different drawings created. So let's see that. So revision created. So you can go to revisions and check the first revision created, revision 1. So that's the first change there. So it's the revision 1 with then revision 2. We can download revision 2 and see the changes there. See revision 2, and we have two different revisions. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.